So guys, good evening. Hindi ko kayo na-introduce sa video natin for tonight. Ito ay isa sa pinuntahan namin na feeding program ng Highway Patrol Group. FSRAP Negros group. Nasa Negros sila. So, nabilong siya sa charity work ng mga highway patrol sa Nash. So, naimbita lang kami guys ng isa namin kakilala na member nila sa highway patrol. Tapos, nagsama kami doon. Tapos, nagtulong. Ayan. So, thank you so much sa mga nag-help at sa mga officers na pumunta. Ayun. So, ito guys, ang video tungkol sa feeding program ng HPG FSRAP Negros. After that, pumunta kami sa Gaisano, bagong built na Gaisano dito sa Bacolod. Tapos, nag-lunch kami, nag-shopping, at saka umuwi na. So, ayan. Yung video na to guys, ganyan. Makikita nyo mga bata, naglaro, ganun. Hope na ma-enjoy nyo. Thank you so much. Enjoy the video. Siapa yang orang ini?
Okay, ikaw po sa front na may kay ikaw na yung document. Dala. Ikaw na sa front na guro. Jump! Okay.
That's their front guys. Okay guys, so we are in Gaisano, Bacolod. So, na-found din namon ang restaurant nga Laushing. So, kung ari kamo sa Bacolod, Gaisano, dili na siya dampi sa tubangan sang Watsons. Okay? So, it's in the front lang sila guys. Ang food nila is so delicious. Sulod ta, masulod ta. Okay, so paghalin mo da, sulod ka di. Clay pot siya guys nga restaurant. Ari ang ilang mga menu na affordable siya guys. Ari ganing mga ano nila, barato lang, may 158. Oo, very cheap. Find them in ano guys, ara ilang ngalan. Yan. So the restaurant is very clean, very friendly. So ari kami, Angel Wings team is here having dinner, having lunch. So, ang kay Sis Mary Ann is fish, masala. Harao masala fish. Oo. Ari masala chicken, ari curry chicken, masala chicken, there. Yan. Anda kangkong. Ayun. Food is good. So, what do you think of the food? What do you think of the food? Very good. Except that you're coughing the other side here. Here. Drink. Aring tangkong nila, guys. Oo. Tangkong. Ano kay ang fish? Very good. Taste good. Oo. Enjoy siya. Oo. Sis, anong inakaon mo na tangkong? Okay? Okay man. Namin. Okay. So, affordable man siya guys. Tapos yung katahom sa ilang mga lagyanan. Clay pot. Ang amo, nabalang order. Kabalakuan lang ni 158 lang ni siya guys. So, kung couple, kamo magkadto, 500. Igo na sa inyo. Pwede na siya. And the restaurant is this. Dako-dako man siya Jotay. Daddy, did you like that curry?
Hot.
Is it hot?
Not really.
Ay, okay. Sige. Wala na. No. Guys, ubos. Ang kay tanan gid siya. Wala bilhin.
Very clean. Very clean. No more.
Okay, we. How's the food?
The food is very, very delicious. Mayo, and then delicious. Oh, you see this? It's very clean.
You want some bread?
Everything.
You want some non-bread?
Yeah.
For my bread lang.
They have
My
a
bread
bread
na.
there.
Inatapuhan pa na. Atrapuhan na.
Consume everything.
Consume everything.
Everything.
So, you will come back in this restaurant?
I'll be, yes, every, I will come back.
Every time you come home from Australia, you come here?
Yes.
Ah. Social.
Social lang niya.
Si Mrs. So, Mrs., next time you come back here from Australia, you come here. Okay, Miss Jonah. How's the food? Nice. Oh. You, Daddy, how's the food? Good? Masarap? Masarap. Sige na, mabayad na ta.
Thank you for watching. Bye-bye now.